Press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.
All of them gives a lot of group learning. I believe you learn a lot more beyond your classes, rather than just in the classrooms that you're doing with all the committees and all of these things.
For your own, do your SWOT analysis, understand your strengths, understand your weaknesses, understand your own self, and accordingly take a decision.
Okay, so hi everyone, welcome to Real Humans of B School. Today we are in conversation with Saili here, who's from TIS Mumbai. Welcome on board, Saili.
Thank you so much, Anisha. Glad to be part of this.
Lovely to have you here also. So you are from this TIS college, which is so it's so green. I live so close to it. I always see it every day on a daily basis, and it's like such a welcoming campus altogether. How was your journey and life at TIS?
Oh, wow. It actually was very fascinating and wonderful. And I am so glad to be a part of this family. So I still remember the first day of the convocation. We were all 800 students assembled there. And they started off with this anthem. And it's so beautiful. It literally gave me chills on my body to be a part of this prestigious institute. And the journey is wonderful. I am in my second year right now, and the first year, as everybody states, is a hectic one.
Yes.
But each and every experience was something worth living for.
That's lovely to hear. I'm sure, you mentioned first year is hectic. It's hectic in a very different way for everybody. There are a lot of case studies, a lot of committees. So how was it at TIS? You also have a lot of different programs. In fact, you get a lot of networking, which is I would say cross-functional. You have social study students, you'll have life sciences and all of them. So how welcoming or how nurturing is this entire sphere of peer learning out there?
Okay. So I think first I would start to mention about the course which I'm a part of, that is Organization Development, Change and Leadership. The best part of TISS is diversity and inclusion. Me coming from a management student, and there are people from psychology, there are people from health studies, and there is diverse perspective. And we always say that, oh, there is diversity, but there is some component of inclusion missing. But I think this is one of the institutes where it stands by the values and philosophy of inclusion. There are so many perspective sharing happening every day. In library, if you just sit across, you will find different courses students talking and discussing about the current affairs, telling and sharing insights. And it helps yourself to have a broader perspective altogether. Full journey, wonderful experience. And how it was hectic. So I'll just tell you a small story. I was working with Accenture, and while I was in Pune, I was not really used to rains. So the day I came in, it was raining heavily. So you can understand Mumbai rains.
Absolutely.
And yes, and for first year, we did not have a hostel facility. So I was living in Chamber, and I had to come across, and there are like autos and rickshaws, and there is this metro work going on. So it was a crazy experience. On the very first week, it was there are so many committees popping up. There are so many people who are introducing you, and it's overwhelming at times. But at the same time, you also enjoy each and every part of it. So that was something which was worth living for.
So I can imagine the ordeal you were facing with the metro work and the rains and all of them. I'm someone who's born and brought up in Mumbai. I live 5 minutes away from TIS campus. So the minute this whole metro and rains comes to us, also used to be like, I don't like this metro work along with it going. It's always so chaotic. But I'm sure once you get inside the campus, it kind of makes you forget all the chaos which is there, because you have so many things, like you mentioned, your committees and all of them which are there a part of. And your program, which I've heard of, it's amazing. Like, it's such a different and unique program with people with such varied experiences. So, what was the most memorable experience you've had in this year itself, like maybe at class or outside class?
So we have had lectures on the weekend, and during one of the lectures our professors asked us that, okay, I'll be giving a case study. The class was divided into different groups, and let me mention you, it's a small batch, so we all are very connected to each other. So the class was divided into 5 different groups, and the case study discussion began. So it was such a wonderful experience when everybody coming from diverse perspectives telling about how they think from a particular solution. And also post the class, so around at 5:36ish, our class was done. And post that there's an amphitheater, so we all came in there and sat down and relaxed for a while. So that was something we discussed about, that, oh, how the perspectives really change after coming to this entire collaborative environment. So I think collaboration is something what I really learned after coming to TISS. So that was about it.
That's really true. And I think, all of them gives a lot of group learning. I believe you learn a lot more beyond your classes, rather than just in the classrooms that you're doing with all the committees and all of these things. So, for people who are looking forward to join this program, what would you suggest them? Like, a lot of times people always end up saying that this is only for HR, and the rest of the programs you take in, if you didn't get HR. So, how you've been through the whole process for this one entire year. What would you suggest for the students, like who's the right fit for it?
Okay. So I think one of the most important element to choose for any program is look for your own, do your SWOT analysis, understand your strengths, understand your weaknesses, understand your own self, and accordingly take a decision. So for this course, that is ODCL, I was really fascinated by change management. Luckily, during my previous stint, I was working in Accenture as a project management analyst, and Accenture being the flag bearer for innovation, got into a lot of different initiatives. And there I realized that, oh, change is difficult. And something what I, yes, and something what my leadership also suggested that, you should look out for these courses. MBA was always at the back of my mind. And while I was looking for different courses, I came across this, stumbled on this. And let me tell you, Anisha, the course is structured so beautiful. It is divided into 4 semesters. Every semester, we have got one major element, that is operations, finance, marketing, and HR. So to give an analogy, let's say this is marketing, HR, finance, and operations. OD cuts across all these 4 different. It's a multidisciplinary also, we have got a lot of field emergence. So every semester we need to work with some organization where we can actually compare theory versus reality. We can really see that, oh, is the framework really applicable to this particular situation? So that actually opens up a lot of opportunities and a lot of learning with that front. And I think it's the only course in India which talks about OD change and leadership. So my suggestion out there would be to definitely check this course out. It is beautifully planned and very well structured. So that was my factors which I considered while choosing this particular course.
Lovely, lovely. I love the way you said that, change is very difficult. And I think that's very, very true. Like when I was working with Henkel, the biggest change we had to do was set up the distribution model. Oh, it's taxing to get everybody accept to a new model, a new structure.
Absolutely.
And that was a big one. Even the smallest change, like, you tell people to change your sitting place, I think gets a lot of things for you to, make a decision and further ahead. So that's a lovely piece of
right,
structured training. And I think a programs dedicated towards this would be really amazing. And, looking at the current situation, I think you also would relate, like how COVID has been changing the scenarios
absolutely.
of working. I think such kind of, courses will ease things out further ahead.
So we have this acronym of VUCA, if you would have heard, and we are right now living in that VUCA world.
Correct.
So here we are really trying to adjust to our everyday lifestyle where we are used to go, take a bus, take a local, travel, and here we are adjusting to the virtual setting. Correct. So I think change management is something which is very essential today for all the organizations. and for different sectors. It's not just only one sector which is getting impacted, and the impact which you bring in will actually change a lot of lives all out there. So I
Absolutely.
think it's
Absolutely. That's amazing. So thanks
yes.
for sharing your, insights about this and the life out there.